out today. Meet them right where they are at, with your full acceptance, kindness, and compassion. Let them deeper still into all Jesus died to give access to. Your glory, sing of abundant rims, radical transformation, that old ways of coping for useless at their feet. You lie busts forward out of the ashes. Child of God.
Today we're gonna have breakfast. At the show now, how Mickey gets me breakfast. I tell you that every day, now do favor for me. Okay? So, today breakfast gonna be apples. Apples. I know say, at one time I've been telling her say, I'm going to do diet.
No more wondering or worry how needs will be met as you keep seeking first God's kingdom.
I say, I did do liquid diet. So today I can show you how I can do my liquid diet. Obviously, I get me apples. Then I slice them. Fine one. Cut them fine. Not with any special size, you know. Just cut them. Cut them nicely. Cut them like a soup in little chops like this. Then now, after I don't cut them like a chops like this, then I can send my yarn out to the other equipment here where I get. When I'm a juicer, and I load and I'm a juicer like this. Okay. After the load and I'm a juicer, how can I sit down? You sit it down part of the juicer. After they load the fruits, these are 4 apples. 4 apples for the morning, you know. Green apples. I don't care any kind of fruit. Any fruit I know they eat and they drink like. Good. So, make 4 apples. Don't give me, not all for all I use. It don't give me this amount of apple juice. Organic, original apple juice. Without no adhesive added to it. And they show that when they can look at 57, 56 and they look younger. Every day they show now half by me secret them. So I get me apple juice and they use me juicer, obviously. And again like CONGOSA to in one secret. If you make ginger beer, you like ginger beer, buy fresh ginger. Make sure you ginger fresh. You chop them fine, you cut them. You use your juicer. If you get juicer, you get the best ginger beer. If they pull all the ginger and the ginger beer at the same time, that ginger with the chaff, if you dry them, you get them for add by your seasonings. Yes, because some of their seasonings and they not only pepper can make it spicy, ginger back they make it spicy. And again, don't forget say ginger gets potential for the body because it gets that captain inside that spice. So that's so we the take do. So anyway, I'll show you me apple juice. I believe say you're not able to sit down and jam 3 apple. Right? But you're able for juice 3 apple. And you get all the nutrients inside that 3 apple day, inside one drink. And another thing about this drink, very refreshing and sweet. And you get all the nutrients where you want. So, I know say some people again buy anything they left on a table take a puel. Before you left and take a puel, is this also a good way for you enjoy you apple? And even let me tell you, not only apple at the juice, not only apple, even mango safe at the cut and juice. And I can add carrot safe panam. Yes, sometimes they want to do also. I can add some baby carrots. So I get carrots milk inside it. So at the same time, you know, say carrots get that and carotene, which very good for your body back. And it take blemish off your skin. Like what I just add to skin carrots back. Lona see, we tell you talk because what's my carrots? Okay, I can always buy these baby carrots. Always, I can love these baby carrots. So I can add them. That add 2-3 back. My juicer. So I can get carrot juice and apple juice at the same time. Carrot juice and apple juice at the same time. Yes. So now, when I see the health side, right there, I don't get my carrot juice and my apple juice at the same time. So I don't get more nutrients and more feeling than eating boku crap. Now that many people will say Casada kitchen not they eat. Because when you don't get this, you don't get all the nutrients we want from. Okay, like 3 apples I'm in the do. Well, I just do, let me see about, I get one more one will do. Because I go to me late lunch. I don't get me apple. I don't puree, I don't get the juice inside. I don't add carrots inside. If I be want, I be put for add a little bit of ginger. Or any other fruits where you get. So, you health, now you wealth. You not get for spend too much money on unnecessary things them for look young and look beautiful. You get control of your life. Now you get for make your life beautiful. Too much artificial things them not good for the body. Me, I'm very, very natural. And like what I tell una say, I get for the show una boku things them. The next tomorrow, I will show una how for do ogi pap. Yes, and we will talk about different type of beans. Tomorrow it will be cooking day. I will show you how we will do ogi pap. I will show you the kind beans where you go get the kind beans where you buy for do ogi pap. The kind corn, sorry, the type of corn where you go buy for make ogi pap. And again, then thing that actually fine for you get now you use. You can make her, you dehydrate them, you keep her back like a powder one. You can make her, you put her in a bottle, keep her in your fridge. Anytime you feel for drinker, you know. And again, one thing about corn, it gets so much carbohydrate inside that it build your body, and it fight. We will talk about that one day again tomorrow. But today we will talk about apple. Waiting me to do for look young, and later on too. At this my age, I know they take no medication. I know they take pressure of medicine. I know they take. And I always had a complaint to una say, the problem I get now for take medication. From last year when Janet go fetch me, when they give me the medication, last year medication no open at TTD. Then like I give that the phone. The medicine where they go give me yesterday, they want go take me medication, they go give me tramadol. Now I say, well, Jamba and tramadol, not so crazy one day I will make a me they smoke Jamba, then they go give me tramadol. Then the Jamba and the tramadol, that one you have to make a go cocoa quick. Anyway, I said the one there, the medicine, it go left the table and give me Panadol from London in it. Or I take it in it. So anyway, that's why they live my life, eh? Today, yesterday I showed you, I say me, I did take me a raw egg. For proof to you, I tell you, I say me new egg, and I keep her na fridge. So say me egg day. Because this is my organic eggs. And then they put her in a fridge at all. And they left her on top me table. Right. And when I look over here, I mean lemongrass. I mean lemongrass this. And they soon plant them out. But I mean they wait for make it get stem. So I will soon get a whole bunch of lemongrass in my yard. I can cut me grass today. Anyway, sorry. Little turn back in. Come back to me cooking today. So today we'll do on health talk. Again, make I tell you now. Juicer is very cheap. No go at you if go buy a store, go na thrift store. You go get like about $10. And I know they like to. It's very, very good. It's very, very good for get. Especially if you get picking them. You want make the I mean, when you go buy now one bag, some I don't go to Boku people the house. When they left, they go buy one bag apple. It go left a rotten. Just first of all, it that even fun for the picking them. For let them know say that then they make their own drink. At the same time, it's healthy. Then you get most of their stores and they sell them baby carrots there. I mean, not go buy that big one. No say I don't say it's cheaper, but this baby carrot mean $1, $2. You put one or two inside your apple. You don't get double nutrients in your body. It don't make you picking even healthier and stronger and wiser. This one is so sweet. You don't even get no sugar. You don't even get no sugar. So I encourage you for live healthy, because health then a wealth. And again, I just want to tell Unami fans them will call me and check on me. I am doing much better. Yesterday I go take the medication. Now call me doctor. I say, hey doctor, I say this. I don't smoke Jamaican. They can't give me cigarette. Don't lie to when you they can't get double lie. And be lying, I get double lie. Well, in actual fact, I not sleep early last night. I not sleep early, but I sleep all throughout the night, which was really not normal. And I wake up feeling a little bit heavy, but fine. At the same time, the sore is better. What I tell when I say better, but I believe say when I see what they talk when I know say it's better. The only problem where I get right now is that the pipe when they put in the throat during the surgery, you know, they get for force them down the throat, but so it gets a little bit of blister. Other than that, I am fine. I thank una all for una love, una support. It is tremendous. It is tremendous. And most of all, I thank una for una prayers. To una me Sierra Leonean people, and to una me 2-3 Liberian people who call me too, I thank you and I appreciate, and I'm very, very humble. I'm very humble, especially when they call me from Sierra Leone. When I give buy data, call me. I'm very, very humble. I'm very humble. I appreciate them a whole lot. I appreciate them a whole lot. Again, so as I tell you now, so now some me can live me life, and when I see 56, the one that will really see me, they look me body. I know they use cream, I know they use boku extra curriculum, because what you do for live a good life, for live a healthy life, you don't get for cost you boku. I did tell you, you don't get for cost you boku. You just get for change your pattern or just revolve. That's what I'm going to say, revolve. Again, last show in the back map, and I see this time a garlic. This if I go plant some front me yard. Yes, I garlic this. And the plant this. So anyway, come here, like me fresh herbs. While they cook, I like me fresh herbs, you know. But so at any rate, that's why that's why they live my life. Comfortable, not too expensive life. where people in the thing to say you get for go. I mean, come on. If you buy a bottle of orange juice, apple juice, you buy $4-5, right? Why not buy a bag of apple juice where you get organic apple juice? Organic apple juice. And you don't know what's in the go inside your system. You don't know what's in the go inside your system. Most of them things the way that they sell in a store, they are commercial made. Then they make up for commercial purposes. So obviously they're not a makeup for your health. Now there your money that they think about. But again, before you go spend that your money, they make somebody rich. When they kill you, why not do it for yourself? Right now, like I was saying, 2 apples, I don't do so, and few carrots, right? I am full, I am healthy, and and the organic, it clean. It clean. And again, no worry for say, I go buy almost for juicer. This why you go get an a thrift store. Me a thrift store, I get over 4. I get over 4 different types. I go to a thrift store, I go buy them. Because I want begin do ginger beer large scale. So I get so many. Yeah, I want to do ginger beer large scale. So I will go get some boku because now the easiest thing I need for make you do your ginger beer pan. You don't get for was boku, you don't get for do boku work pan now. Let's show you now the chaff. Let's show you the chaff. Now, look, all the chaff, the apple, now the chaff this. With the carrots, now the chaff this. So waiting about they get out of your apple where you use juicer, that's the filling. But all the juice, all the 3 apple, what do? Look at waiting left, what you the really see, now the kanda. Because nothing on the inside the kanda. But all the apple, look at now this side number left. But all the nutrients where they find the apple, me, I don't get an aya. All the nutrients where they find the apple, me don't get it. And like what they tell you, what's it they call them? It's not expensive. Trust me, what they tell you. Juicer, not expensive at all. Not expensive. Buy 3 apples for the day. 3 apples and few carrots. And tell me why I don't go look so fresh. Tell me why I don't get energy. Tell me why I don't go healthy. You don't cost you beaucoup money. No. It just costs you $5 for a bag of, less than $5 for a bag of apple. Well, if you don't even like apple, sometimes I do mangoes because I get mangoes too. Sometimes, what I can tell you about the corn, raw corn. I do raw corn too in there. I take all the juice out of the corn and I just drink the juice. Like what they tell, that's if I don't give me a fruit. I don't belt. The effect of organic food. Now it pull up because it's organic. It don't get no added adhesive, it will work better than the one we get all the thing in it. Because now all the nutrients we are for really get, and they get now all the go inside there for go, all the block open, all the way we don't block. Because this is not something we get extra curriculum inside. It's just natural. And again, I believe say I'm not go able for sit down and chew. It's 3 apples at the same time. But now 3 apples I don't do so, including carrots. And if I be want to put other things in it, because I get dragon fruit way, I want juice itself. But it go be for me lunch. Because I don't feel if they don't begin rotting, and because they don't begin rotting, I don't want to wear the juice them, and I will juice them with maybe the other red apple type. I want the two together for afternoon lunch. So again, when I can tell you that I do liquid diets, I don't think I can do it. And often for realize you can juice any kind of fruits. You can juice any kind of fruits. Once that fruits where you can eat raw, you can juice them. So if you don't want it, if you like mango, but you want eat boku, you want eat so much mango, you like the nutrients of the mango. And again, you want combine 2 or 3 fruits, 2 or 3 fruits where you love, for we're gonna be filling for you, and we're gonna be refreshing for you. Juicing is the best way. And again, not for realize you get everything, nothing not they left out. Yeah. You get everything. You get all the nutrients the way you need. Right there, everything you get them. So again, I just want to show you now how I can start my day and why make at 56. I look so young, I look so energetic, I'll get so much agile, and what to make I get brain. Because feel not to realize say what you eat, it affects your brain. It affects your brain, right? Not every day for this Casada leaf and potato leaf. So then well, it's good for Casada leaf and potato leaf every day if you care to. But again, you need the other ingredients there, because even the sugar when they inside this juice, it gets the way they do with Casada leaf and potato leaf, not they do. And again, sometimes they more often again until they are now in a house, when I know they use them. I know so many people that will get juice under their house when they use them. And I didn't lie to you, this is very, very essential. To me, I don't know for now, for me, very essential. Because I get for use them at least every other day. At least every other day. I even do me raspberry, like me, I can buy berries them, a 1 poil, I know they allow a little poil, they like it not get rotten, and then once they all juice them. One juice at the drinker. First of all, we cannot begin poil self, you don't begin ferment, so it can make it better for me. So instead of you waste all the day, get you juicer. Or if you put, I don't care, put a whole bag of strawberry, blackberry, it not go cost you, it not go full up this layer. But again, you don't get all the nutrients where you want from them. So if you don't get juice and use, and you're in America, no worry for going to a big place, go to a thrift store. You go get one day, and it go do you well. It's very good for your health. It's even good for una way they complain about high blood pressure. Now because of what you eat. All that thing a day. But of their sicknesses the where they can we go before. Now what do they eat? Like what they tell you at 56, and they take no medication. I know they take blood pressure, I know they take hyper. Oh, me already have no hyper. So if I can't get tension, I'll not to die. So I don't take no medication because of waiting at the eats. And again, maybe this not will be useful to you today, but tomorrow it will be useful to you. And I believe say today, right now, it don't go blow some of una mind them up. Even if you could not do it every day. If you get family, you get picking them. Una can make them Saturday. Now one of the bonding way that then I can bond with my picking them. I know that says well today Saturday we only can juice. We only can juice. Who's kind of fruit you like? Need a banana, you can even juice orange. Just peel the skin, you put it inside it. Yeah. You can juice orange. You can juice lemon. Any kind of thing you can juice them. So again, nowadays, now that bonding and for una way picking them. Buy different fruits when I go before you boil una juice. And una juice as a family. You like banana, you like that, and that kind of thing that they can make picking and game. Wait you want now you juice. Okay, I want strawberry, I want this, I want that. What you want now you juice. All these different fruits. Once a week, you go carry and go a long way. It go even unite and bond in a family. If you not even just once a week, just get there and pick it and buy. I mean, all the go grocery, right? When you go grocery, you don't buy your food. Boku for another buy food when a bad thing. Boku. As you they see boku people in cats. Now they go buy all the meats. Then they buy fruits. And again, favorite to realize this is organic. This is fresh fruits, not of frozen one. So the good thing when you get from a fresher fruit, you know they get them from a frozen fruit. And again, boku reason we make some mango say, I know they buy fruit because they don't eat them. But again, a good way this way they go eat them, and a good way this way go keep your family healthy and keep the doctor away. And trust me, if you try this with your picking a 1 and 2 and 3, now then they glad it for yourself. Because what you do, if you get like a 3 different all man they talk what you want, then they never begin to taste them. You go see, it's so many things that the way family can use to bond together. So many things that the way family can use to bond together, especially when you get small picking. Because right now, if I ask her, I say, what's in on picking a favorite food to not sabi. Yeah, una no sabi. Some of una gonna store self. Una picking the same mommy. I want this, especially when it comes to fruits and vegetables. Another pay attention. But again, if you want to live healthy, not so every day forget processed food. Especially in this with diaspora. Everything is a chemical. Everything is a chemical. That make me, I prefer to go na farmers market, those small community farmers market to shop for me vegetables and things like that. So even if I want boss una eat, say even most of una the garlic una they buy. And let's show you a secret today, right? Anytime you buy a garlic, anytime you buy garlic, when you see the base of that garlic in white, not to better garlic. But when you go buy garlic, you see the base of the garlic in brown. Now organic garlic. Pokutine they happen at this world today. If you don't believe, try them. Go buy that one where you see in base, in white. Whether they pack so na the waiting and color. Then you go buy the other one where in base in red. Not do boku, just put on a bowl like this. The one where in base, it don't get base under, it will never go for that it melt. The one where gets the garlic, we get the real base. You see, but the one we get a white twist. You know they ever go and melt in the melts. Like this wire. This. We get this white base. We white totally. You don't get no spark of brown. Not to garlic. But again, by the way, I wonder and I not share would I not tell me who side are they watching me from? I know they see no comments here. I don't know why. Please tell me where you're watching me from. Tell me where you watch me from, bro. I know they see no comments. I don't know why. But tell me where you're watching me from. And again, I ask you and please share. Una tag somebody. Una share, una tag somebody. If necessary, follow una they share and tag somebody. Last time una the reason make I want make una the comment. The more you comment, the more you bring you that means for say you engage. But if you cannot more on the watch on the comment, that one they engage. And again, I ask you, please share. Share to your timeline. Share to your friend. Tag somebody. Now the only way that go help me grow. 30 I get 50. I don't even get 50,000 followers yet. 30 because what you do, una know the share, una know the comment, una know the like. I mean, now the only way una they help me grow. Una they make me the work, other people they enjoy. Yes, because what you do, yawo una they come, una know the comment, una know the share, una know the tag. But when them cut Lily, then go put on another person platform, una they go share there, una they tag there, una they comment there. So them people then they make money, me know they make money. Yes, true. Then people and they can't show that they tell that say Facebook one day they don't pay me money. I can't show that me W2 where Facebook sent to me. And they show that. And they show now wait. Now me W2 from this way Facebook sent to me. The first money where Facebook pay me, now $8.11. The only time where I get now me Casada kitchen, the brand 2. Now Facebook pay me $1,570. After that, the next pay where Facebook pay me, now $7. The next pay where Facebook pay me, now $336. Then the next pay where Facebook pay me, now $398. And the reason why I make una know the share on my page, una know the comments, una know the like. But when they pull that same small thing there, like when it's not in cut so you go put on my page. If they get 20,000 comments, 20,000 likes, then go share them from Sanoin page. So now Sano they make the money, me they make the money. Now that make una kana and boko of una. The reason we make una know the share, the reason we make una know the comment na because una don't talk bad about me. But una still there na under the page. Una still there under the page. Una they talk bad about me, una they gossip about me, and una they shame pa una self. But again, I still there. Minus Facebook pay me. I don't there before Facebook begin pay. I don't there before Facebook begin pay. But again, I will ask una, please. I want make una go na my YouTube and go subscribe. Very important. That one day I want make una help me out, safe man. Because from 2019, they don't even get 10,000 followers. They want the weekend they don't get 100,000 followers. If una see Casada kitchen and a fan, una go na my YouTube and support. But all the same, I love you guys, and I'm out. Una no give me star, and I bado, una no like me. But all the good thing what they teaching her. If now outside them they tell you now for children, hey, Casada kitchen on cherry, mama, hey, now look at the star go they come out. But usa in a health day, usa una longevity day, usa una get for no, waiting get for make una live better. Una know the support today. If I may say today that somebody can cost today, una will not tag una self. But this we're very important to your health. We're very important to your longevity. We're very important to your well-being. Because if you're there today, now we get good health. If you're able to consider on the watch here, you need their information there. Because at this, now get for make you live longer. Una know they support them. But if I may say today, when they can call and they can tell somebody, una go don't tag una company. So I learn a lot of better things. Not so everyday negativity they work. Sometimes, now that make I say my own platform, now education, information, and entertainment. Yeah, if you can't, if you just every day, now rakalabu deeper. No. Sometimes they would do things there for make your life better. Sometimes they will talk things there for educate una. Sometimes they will talk things there for entertain una. So it depends on what you can come on. Today we come on health. Because you health, now you wealth. And again, I can hear some man can call me a grammar. Now make I ask the other day. I say at me age 56, You call me granny. I want make I see you your picture. At your age, or compare me and you mama. That one when you they call mommy. Or when you they call nene. When don't reach me age yet. When don't all pass me age. You not call her granny. But then you call me granny. Yes. Well, I want to show you how with me granny. They live a good life. They live a healthy life. They live a fluffy life. And in body, always good. Now, because granny know how to take care of yourself. Tomorrow, I can't teach another young girl how to take care of you glorious. Because I get one story where one guy, they tell me, say, a woman, they smell her. And again, we go come back to the very good the reason why make I tell una about them funny thing there. Because waiting you can put inside your body, it come out of your body. But because of fuck talk what they bring tomorrow, now that make I do this today. Because I want to tell una say, this drink what I make so right now. Tomorrow I go tell una the reason why make I make this drink. Because this drink, not only it not get health benefits to your upper side, it even get health benefits when it comes to sex. But again, that is for another topic. I love you all and I'm out. Una no give me start because waiting una not feel to say I not go talk about the sex self because now there will lead and to but una no look serious. I'm out.